Hey, YouTube family. It's me, Matt from A to Z Diecast here. Got lucky this morning. I was able to hit target and open not one, but two cases. This is what I got out of two cases. No supers, but I did get these. So, I grabbed the set of reds, and I'm going to open them now. Treasure Hunt, ID Chase, some Nissans for some of the local guys, Mario Kart, and Steamboat. So, let's do reds first. The Carbonator. It's a Carbonator. Would have been smart to put the Target on there, because it is a red edition. This is only from Target. So if they really were smart, which I don't know why they didn't, all these red editions should have the Target symbol on them, but that's just me, since it's a red edition. Let's check out the vet. I'm leaving these because I know someone who wants them. I'm not opening these. The 2019 Corvette ZR1 convertible in red. What's that? A misprint? Is that ref? Red? What is that? You see that, right? Back over there. Oops, sorry. Let's zoom in. Oh, what that is. Oh, well. And the 2019 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss in camouflage red. Then we have the Ollie Rocket. There's the treasure hunt symbol there and there. Gold on the bottom. Let's open this bad boy up. Metal, plastic, metal, right? No. Nope, bottom's plastic. No, I was not smelling it. I put it to feel the temperature. Metal's going to be colder. It's not a great casting. It's a fantasy. You know my feelings on fantasy. Bleh. Not opening this. Here is the ID Chase, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S. You'll see it has the Spectra Flame paint, regular wheels, but it is an ID Chase. For those of you who don't know, real quick, IDs have a RFID chip inside. They have Hot Wheels has tracks, and each one has their own ID number, hence ID. And you could race them and get your stats and all that stuff and play online. I do not have it, but I know people who do, and I know people who look for these specific cards, and I am not keeping this. Not my style. So if you look at it, it's got some nice detail though. I did see one of these cars on the road the other day. Taking some Matchbox headlights like the Matchbox does. I like it. There's the charging port. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this car has a charging port on both sides. But again, not my cup of tea. The Mickey Mouse Disney Steamboat. My kids are getting this, so I'm opening this up. They are huge Disney fans. So black and white, because Steamboat Willie was in black and white. Special feature is when you roll it on the ground, although it's not smooth. Ugh, it's Really not that great, but it's supposed to spin. Plain old boat. I haven't seen a boat from Hot Wheels in a while, so it's definitely they probably reused one of the castings or one of the bases. I don't know. Who knows? If you can make it out, there you go. You got the tiles. That's a nice little texture feature on there. Good job on that. But again, nothing crazy. Just Steamboat Willie, the Disney Steamboat from the movie. One of my favorites. Well, it says Standard Kart from Mario Kart. So that, if I'm not mistaken, this is probably the same thing in the that they have for the Mario Kart series. It just does not have Mario on it. The other ones have the figures on it. So that's something I'd probably go look to see if I can find that, to see if it's the same exact car. So let's open this up. It's actually really heavy. Metal base. Plastic up here. Need some like banana peels and like turtle shells hanging somewhere. Pretty cool. Leftover plastic over there. Yeah. For those of us born late 70s, early 80s, this is our thing. These are all for local collectors, so I'm not opening this up. This is new to me. I haven't grabbed one of these yet. And funny thing is, this was only in the case with the Target Reds. So there were two separate L cases I opened up. One had Reds, one didn't. This was in the case with the Reds. This was in the case without the Reds. Nissan Silvia. I like the rims. Look at that. Look at the taillights. They can put all these taillights on this car. But they can't do it for, like, my Mustang. Really? And you got marker lights. Very nice job. But all Hot Wheels matter. I want this detail on some mainline Fox body Mustangs. Not fair. Nice job on that, though. The Liberty Walk GTR, or sorry, 35 GTRR version 2. Mike, that's just letters and numbers to me. I don't know. Nice tampo on the side. Really nice lights. A lot of detail. A lot of love going into these Nissans lately. Again, here is a GTR R35. So, again, same base car. Little bit of difference. You see that? Just a little bit different. But, and this is a non-Nissan person saying this, I'm pretty sure, although they're the same width here, I'm pretty sure this car is a lot wider than this one, because this one's got a wide body kit on it. But it's a Hot Wheels, so they have to fit to a certain size. So, a little bit of difference, because this is a Liberty Walk. But, there you go. Again, Target L case, 2 different cases. One of these in every one. One without the Reds. With the Reds. These were in both cases. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the rest of my videos. Peace.